Welcome, traders. Dr. Keith there. Happy Tuesday, August 19th, 2025. Hope you're doing well. All right, so let's take a look here, folks. We had a really great opportunity today on the NASDAQ. So on the 1 minute chart, once we came in here at 9:30, remember, I like to wait 10 minutes after the 9:30 open. And basically, we then had a pullback to the upside here after the 9:30 open. And at 9:45-ish, we had a beautiful short here. Okay. And why is that? Going back in the direction of the trend, the Heikin-Ashi algorithm was bearish with a flat top. We basically watched this trade. And what we did, folks, was we had an ATM management of profit target one was 30 ticks. Profit target two was 60 ticks. And then the last part of the trade was 100 ticks. Okay. And once it went through and we got profit target one, we moved the stop to break even to eliminate the rest of the risk of the next two contracts there. And then again, it ended up hitting the 100 tick profit target and we were out of the trade. So at that time and point in time, folks, I mentioned it even in the live training room that, hey, we're going to obviously stick around. I'm going to point out other opportunities, but I was done. Okay. I met my requirement for the day. I was done. Now, saying that, when we got over here back to 10:30-ish time frame, same thing happened. Almost the identical type of setup, and I pointed that one out as well. And again, it made a nice move here, and it made a nice move here, and then even here. So we had three additional opportunities, had several people in the WealthCharts live training room telling me that they've got some funded accounts and so forth. That's always a great feeling. But again, what were we doing? We were going back in the direction of that nice downtrend this morning. Okay. Now, in saying that, we also looked at gold. Gold had a nice move as well. Again, you're starting to see a common theme here, right? Downtrend. Look at these flat type Heikin-Ashis, right? That's what I'm going to show you tomorrow in tomorrow's class that I'll get to in a minute, which is a phenomenal opportunity there as well on gold. And several traders took that short on gold as well. So again, a great learning experience in the WealthCharts live training room. Some great trades today. Again, we learned about having ATMs, having a profit target, for example, of 30, 60, 100, eliminating risk after the NQ hit 30 ticks, and see if you can get some runners. Everybody enjoyed that as well. So I'm going to be teaching my advanced Heikin-Ashi package tomorrow, folks. Don't miss out. It's tomorrow, August 20th at 10 o'clock Eastern. Okay. And so I'm looking forward to going over, again, we'll review some of the trades this week, but we'll also look at the live markets at the same time with the ultimate goal of you understanding the advanced Heikin-Ashi system. So have a great evening, everybody. BecomeABetterTrader.com/yes to register. So BecomeABetterTrader.com/yes. Hope to see you there. Have a great evening, everyone. Take care.